Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we will be playing Baldi's Basics on Roblox. And stay tuned because we're going to be playing a mod and also we're going to be giving you guys 2 codes for the impossible question. Stay tuned. So, first we start off with one that's called Baldi's Basics Classic, which is on Roblox.
Welcome to Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning.
I like
That's me.
Story mode.
Oh, hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse. Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject. I can't believe it. You're incredible. Great job.
It is long.
That's right.
The score is 9. Okay, so we did the first you can think pack correctly. Now, thank you for the shiny quarter, Baldi.
Problem 1.
So, this one we're not going to give you the codes, but at the end we will.
1 minus. You're doing fantastic.
Now, the impossible question. We can't give you the code yet. At the end, gobbledygook. Now he starts chasing us. Oh, start running. Oh my gosh. Right here, right here, right here. Right here, I got it. Oh no, 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 no. Run. A shiny quarter. Right here. Here's a notebook. Third notebook. Oh shoot. I clicked OK right when it started, so I got the first question wrong. No gobbledygook.
Let's play. Ready? Go.
No.
Good job. 1, 2, 3,
Playtime, no.
4, 5.
No. Are you serious? Okay, I guess that was my run for the basic version. Now we will be playing the modded. And the mod, drumroll please, is Infinite B Sodas.
Welcome
Let's
to
do this.
Baldi's Basics, but Infant
And this is how
Sodas.
Baldi's gonna look.
That's me.
He looks weird. He has a Christmas hat. Okay, we started Infinite V Sodas. This is gonna be crazy. Okay, we're loading in. Starting. So look, you see I have V sodas in my inventory. Well, for some reason it says diet on it, but see, I have infinite of them. So like, this is gonna be crazy. All I need to do is get the notebooks, and in this version there's no map. Which, honestly, you know me, I like that. But the rest of the crew are, so not Baldi. Can't go. I'm not going to school faculty room because what's the point for the yellow door lock? And there's an outside version in this game where it's snowy, actually. Principal's right there. Oops. Notebook. Got one. I get really tired of playtime because she always makes me jump rope. And in this game, I do not like jump roping. And it wastes time. So, they're just going to loop. Yeah, I want to loop. Please, no playtime. No playtime. I can't find any of the doors. What? No, gotta sleep. Bad gotta sleep. Bad sleep. Bad. Oh, like this one might pick her up. No sleeping time. Counter attack. Bro, what is going on? Why should you come on my face? Bro? Bro. Finally got it. That took like 5 years. Let's go.
Looks like my fog machine is malfunctioning again. I can barely see anything.
Why the fog machine?
What? No items. No items. No pad.
Bro. I just need to find the safety scissors.
I'm bored.
Playtime. Get away, sweeping time. Is Baldi gonna chase me or what? No safety scissors in there. I can't find any rooms. I only got 2 out of 4. For some reason it's 4, not 7. Come on, Baldi. That's a room, that's a room. Let's go. This is taking what a while. I need one more book and I will win, but I need to find the elevator after. Where is the last book? It's taking me so long. It's the elevator. Hello, Baldi. I drove the gotta sleep. No, I already went to that door. Hello, Baldi. My D started on him.
someone forgot to monitor the sound system, and it broke.
You should know. You should know.
No. Stop. We will get this fixed soon. Don't worry.
I got a detention right in front of the last door.
You should know better.
Wow, that's great. Let's play again. Sometime soon.
Wow, I am faster than all of you. This is great. I can catch up.
I got the last one, bro.
Oh,
Okay, now I'm gonna get to the.
now all you need to do is find a way out before I catch you.
No. Okay. Why is bro laughing like that? Bro. You need to find the elevator. Find the elevator.
Hey,
Bro, did I just loop back?
hold out, please. Get out. Skulls out. Skulls out, please. Get out. Now. You beat my game. Skulls out, please. Congratulations, you found all 7 books. Now, congratulations,
Where's my elevator, bro? Oh, right. I got it. Yes! I beat the modded version. Let's go. And the 2 codes. Those will be easy. So, that was the mod. And now we need to go back into the other game that we're playing, and I'll give you the 2 impossible question codes. So,
welcome to Baldi's Basics in Education.
we'll go endless mode for this one because we're not actually trying to beat the game.
Welcome to my schoolhouse.
But remember, you need
Now it's time for
it's
everybody's
harder
favorite
when you
one.
fail any of the other questions. So like 5 minus for
Great
1,
job.
7
That's
minus
right.
6,
Good one.
1 minus 9, 8. Okay, so I got the first you could think pad correctly.
Come
Now the second one is where this all happens.
a shiny quarter.
Oh shoot, I forgot.
Problem
I don't need that.
1. 4 minus good one. Problem 2. 9. I can't believe it. You're incredible. Problem
And
3.
whenever you see an impossible question, write 3,
Plus
1, 7.
times.
Oh no, I messed it up. And you can't delete. So we'll have to retry this again. But the code is 31718.
Baldi's Basics in Education and Learning.
I'm gonna try it again so I could show you what the code does.
Hi. Welcome to my schoolhouse.
So this time I actually have to.
For everybody's favorite. You got it. Problem 2. 9 minus 2. Right job.
What's going on?
That's right. You're doing fantastic.
Okay, first you can
You
think
did
pad
great.
correct.
Come here and get your prize. A shiny quarter. Problem 1. 2. You're doing fantastic. Great job. That's right. Problem
Okay, so here write
3.
317. 8. Look, so this takes you here. Look, isn't this so cool? I don't know what it says all over the walls, but this guy's chasing me. Is this? Okay, so this is what the first code does. And the reason that's the code is because that's the date that the game was actually released. So that's the reason they made this into the code to the testing room. Okay, now we try the next one, which makes the game nearly impossible.
Baldi's Basics education.
And I've actually gotten 3 notebooks with it, which is actually crazy.
Schoolhouse. Now it's time for everybody's favorite subject, math. I can't believe it. You're
So the
incredible.
next code, you have to do the same thing, get to the second book.
Minus
So that's
9 equals. Great job. That's right. You got it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 9.
You did great.
First, you can think pad, correct. And you grab the shiny quarter, even though it has no use.
Problem 1. 6.
I'll go hopefully try to get one more notebook with this one.
Problem 3.
Okay, so the code is 5304. 5304. And I'm pretty sure 5009. So this code, look, it says use these to stick to the ceiling. Now look what this does. We are literally upside down, which makes gameplay nearly impossible. Which is really, really cool in my opinion. I like this. Need rest. This is so cool. This game mode is really, really hard. Let me get a beast soda. Okay. I'll get one more notebook and let me just push Baldi down the hall for no reason after I get this notebook. So 8. So that would be the 3, -3. And we could just write gobbledygook, anything you want for here because he has no point. And let me just blast Baldi. Whenever he comes in here, I'm gonna blast him to the other side. Alright. Thank you guys for watching. That was Baldi's Basics, mobs, codes, and the original gameplay. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!